Welcome, Psychotic Society. Well, how are you? This video is not clickbait. As you can see, I am on the cusp of earning $30 from Coinbase. So I'm looking at it needing about $3.15. So why don't we earn some money here with AMP? And I'm not going to really break down everything, okay? But let's get right into this. AMP is an Ethereum token that can be used as collateral and provide instant settlement assurance anytime. Let's see. Instant assurance is an important feature in the real world. However, many blockchains are forced to prioritize security over speed. When crypto is used to make a payment today, it can take minutes or hours before a transaction is considered permanent. AMP was created to fix this problem. When AMP is used as collateral for payment, settlement is guaranteed instantly. That's interesting. This means that recipients can make use of their new funds right away while original transaction is still settling on the chain. AMP also works with any blockchain and can provide assurance of any kind of transfer, including converting one asset to another. All right. I feel like taking the quiz. Here we go. $1. What is AMP? A payment token, a privacy, a security token, a collateral token. I'm going to say that it's a collateral token. This might be the first question I've ever gotten wrong on video. Yes, got it. Let's go. Let's go. Get this money. One of the best uses for AMP today is making crypto payments more viable for real-world purchases. Traditional credit and debit card networks may have complex settlement processes that can be slow and vulnerable to fraud and may result in high cost. A payments network built for the digital era would be instant, secure, and dramatically more cost efficient. To make this a reality, Flexa was created. Flexa is a new pure digital payments network that can make any crypto asset instantly spendable from any app because it's collateralized by AMP. Wow. Using Flexa, merchants can accept cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin instantly, affordably, with no risk, fraud, or chargebacks. That's banging. Flexa even works with existing payments hardware so merchants can accept crypto payments today. Let's take the quiz. Man, that sounds amazing. What does AMP provide on Flexa network? Hash power, public instant settlement assurance. That's what we got. Let's go. Give me my $1. Yes. Come on, man. Easy money. Let's go. Today, anyone can stake AMP as collateral to secure payments on Flexa network. I better look into this. I'm going to invest. By staking on Flexa network, users help ensure that Flexa payments settle instantly while also earning AMP rewards after payments settle successfully. This economic model makes for a more efficient payment network, decentralizing the risk of payments not being settled. It sounds so good right now. Because AMP is open source and permissionless, other users can also use it to decentralize risk in their own projects. This is something else. As crypto becomes mainstream, AMP helps enable the future where every digital asset transaction is instant, safe, and secure. This sounds so freaking beast. What can you earn by staking AMP on Flexa? ETH, Bitcoin, nothing, AMP rewards. Well, why would it be any of those? It's going to be AMP rewards, of course. It's run by that. Oh, let's go. All right, so now look, it says I can invite friends and you'll both get free Bitcoin when friends buy or sell crypto. All right, so I may invite people later, but let's look at my balance. That's what I'm concerned with. Let's see how long they take to pay me. Oh my God. Wow. Right on the dot, bro. Are you serious? Yo, this thing was like it was scripted, baby. I couldn't have planned this any better. Like, yo, I'm so hyped right now. This is so sexy. Yeah. Coinbase, guys. A free app, and I'm up to $30, and I didn't even invest a penny.